My name is Caidin Meyer. My major is elementary education and my high school was Onaga High School. I chose Washburn University because it's close to my family. It's about an hour from my hometown. Also because my sister went here, my mom went here. My mom didn't complete college, so I'm still a first gen. But they both love the atmosphere, and I've grown to love the atmosphere as well. I have learned from my education mentors mostly about to just every day is a different day. So if yesterday didn't work out the way it was supposed to, just keep going and the next day probably will. And if the next day doesn't, then you're just going to keep going every day, because when you're a teacher, you're not going to have perfect days. There's going to be something that just kind of, throws a bump in the road or throws you off your plans or whatever, and you just kind of have to keep going. Mentoring has been extremely important to me because I had no idea what I'm doing. Well, I still don't know what I'm doing, especially going into student teaching. I'm scared, but with all the mentors I've had in the past, they've taught me how to properly assess students, do lessons, how to have a relationship with students, and really how to make it fun, because that's probably the most important thing. Other than teaching them the curriculum, you have to make it fun and enjoyable for them. My favorite thing about Washburn is definitely the education department. My professors and the secretaries that are there and everything, they've just become really close people to me, and I think probably everybody in the education department can feel that too. They're welcoming, it's a warm environment, and I'm honestly really sad to leave them. The education department has helped me prepare for my career by just being there for me, teaching me all about the things that I need to know as a teacher, the curriculum we'll need to teach and everything. But honestly, just being there as support for me, especially with my family, only being an hour away, but I have friends that are from completely different states, and I know they rely on the education department and the people in there to be their support, to be their soundboard when something doesn't go right. So that's kind of what they mean to me.